Warren Buffett has finally revealed the investment that he's been keeping wraps under since last year. Berkshire Hathaway has got a major stake in the insurer Chubb. It made headlines in March after it underwrote Donald Trump's $2 million appeal bond in his defamation case. The company's stock closed up almost 5%. Paul LaMonica is a senior markets analysis writer at Barron's. He joins me now. Paul, why? I mean, the keeping the Chubb investment quiet, did it have anything to do with the Trump bond, or is it just one of those funny things?
Yeah, I don't get the sense that that was it at all. Warren Buffett, obviously is famously mostly apolitical. I mean, he loves to talk about betting on America, regardless of what's happening. He did support Hillary Clinton in 2016, for example, but he didn't pull back on the U.S. stock market during the Trump presidency. I think with Chubb, it was just for whatever reason, something that they were quietly adding a position. They bought some shares in the third quarter and fourth quarter, finally going public. And it's a gigantic holding now, Richard. Chubb is one of the 10 largest Berkshire positions. That puts it up there with the likes of Apple and Bank of America, Kraft Heinz, Amex.
So what is it? By the way, to those who know about Chubb locks, it's not the same company, but why? What is it about Chubb as an insurance company that they like?
Yeah, I think that, Chubb, a big, property casualty insurance company, could be an area where Berkshire feels it complements the Geico business that it already owns outright. Whether or not this is a possible way to maybe acquire all of Chubb eventually, there's definitely some speculation about that. There's nothing to suggest that anything is imminent there, but I think people are starting to chatter about it. Chubb stock did hit a record high today on the Berkshire endorsement. And I think a lot of people are going to be wondering whether or not Berkshire acquires even more of Chubb. But we know because of Geico and Capital Re, a lot of the reinsurance companies Berkshire owns outright, that Warren Buffett is a huge fan of this business.
You and I have been around too many years. I got to ask you, why do you think the Dow has roared through 40,000? I mean, at the end of the day, PE is over 30, average PE is over 30. What's causing it?
Yeah, I mean, valuations are definitely stretched, Richard. What's interesting is that the Dow has that stodgy reputation of the industrials, but you do have three of the Magnificent Seven companies, Apple, Microsoft, and now Amazon even in the Dow 30. So it does get a tech boost there. Also Salesforce, Intel is a tech company, but it's dragging the Dow down. But it's fascinating to see that Goldman Sachs and Caterpillar are the two stocks that have added the most points to the Dow this year, which really just goes to show that this rally is starting to broaden out, and you're starting to see the industrials and financials participate as well, which is healthy.
And United Health Group, which is also, I looked at the weightings in the Dow. So very interesting. Used to be Boeing. Boeing's now down at 2-3%. Thank you, sir. I'm grateful, as always. Thank you.